Khilji Dynasty. Khilji Dynasty, also known as the Khilji Dynasty, was a medieval Muslim dynasty that ruled parts of the Indian subcontinent from 1290 to 1320 CE. The dynasty was founded by Jalal-ud-Din Firuz Khilji, who overthrew the last ruler of the slave dynasty, Kakabad, in 1290 and established himself as the Sultan of Delhi. Under the Khilji dynasty, the Delhi Sultanate reached its zenith in terms of territorial expansion and military power. Jalal-ud-Din Firuz Khilji was succeeded by his nephew, Alauddin Khilji, who is considered the most prominent ruler of the dynasty. Alauddin Khilji's reign lasted from 1296 to 1316 and is known for his military conquests, administrative reforms, and cultural developments. Alauddin Khilji launched several military campaigns to expand his empire. He successfully defeated the Mongols, repelled the Mongol invasion led by the famous General Malik Kafur, and expanded the Delhi Sultanate's control over large parts of northern India, including Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh. He also sought to strengthen the Sultanate's defenses against external threats. Alauddin Khilji implemented various administrative reforms to centralize power and maintain control over the vast territories. He established a rigorous revenue system to enhance revenue collection and introduced price controls and market regulations to control inflation and stabilize the economy. He also created a highly efficient intelligence network to monitor his officials and ensure their loyalty. From a cultural perspective, the Khilji dynasty patronized art, literature, and architecture. Alauddin Khilji's court was known for its cultural splendor, and he actively encouraged poets and scholars. The Alai Darwaza, a gateway in the Qutub Minar complex in Delhi, is one of the notable architectural achievements of the Khilji period. The Khilji dynasty faced internal conflicts and challenges towards the end of Alauddin Khilji's reign. After his death in 1316, his successors were unable to maintain stability and control over the empire. The dynasty finally came to an end in 1320 when Ghazi Malik, also known as Ghiyas-ud-Din Tughlaq, overthrew the last Khilji ruler, Khusro Khan, and established the Tughlaq dynasty. The Khilji dynasty left a significant impact on the history of medieval India. It played a crucial role in shaping the political and cultural landscape of the Delhi Sultanate and left behind a legacy of military prowess, administrative reforms, and architectural achievements.